How to fix echo on Discord. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix echo on Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your web browser or you simply open up your Discord. And make sure that you're logged in into your account as well. After you've done that, go over to user settings. It's right here, right around here. Tap on user settings. After you're on your user settings, what you can do is you can simply check your different options on the left hand side, scroll down, and there you'll find an option that says voice and video. Tap on voice and video, and after you do that, you will see an option that says voice. So right around here you'll find an option that says echo cancellation. Toggle it on, and after you toggle it on, the noise suppression, you can simply choose this as well. I'll just use the standard one. And after you've done that, you will have fixed your echo problem on your Discord. And yeah, that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.